guys, Shae here at Dahl Ford. I'm a service advisor. Today we're going to be taking a look at some things under the hood that we can do to prevent costly repairs in the near future. One of the first things we want to take a look at would be your coolant. Keeping it clean and full to the line where it needs to be will keep your vehicle on the road, prevent it from overheating, and keep all your engine and computer components cool. Second thing we want to take a look at today would be your engine oil. Scheduled maintenance oil changes are a cheap way to keep your vehicle running on the road, prevent costly repairs, or worse, even having to buy a new vehicle. The third thing we want to look at today would be your battery. Newer vehicles nowadays, with all the bells and whistles they have, require a lot more power and a lot more draw on that battery. Regular scheduled battery tests will prevent you being stranded somewhere, and we can help get it swapped out sooner. The few things that we went over today are some of the cheapest, easiest ways to keep your vehicle on the road. Basic maintenance is the best way to prevent costly repairs or possibly replacing a vehicle in the near future. Again, give us a call at our Dahl Ford Service Department, 563-391-2600. Thank you.